Hey guys, this is Carrie from Byrider Madison. This month I have some tips and tricks to help improve your fuel economy. So some simple things that we can do to help save some gas, especially with prices the way they are, especially with the summer months here, wanting to get out and travel. So we'll get right into it. So the first one that I have for you is clearing out that extra clutter that you have in your vehicle. So the things that we have in there, I mean, obviously you want your emergency road care kits, things like that. But everything else, is considered clutter. I mean, it can really decrease your fuel mileage. I mean, the stuff adds up. I mean, 100 pounds can really make the difference with that. Obviously, other things that can cause, wind resistance and things like that. Your roof racks, your cargo boxes, bike racks, things like that. That can decrease wind resistance and can decrease mileage as well. So if you're not using them, or if you have stuff on there, maybe maybe take them off. So the next thing I have for you is limit your idling. So when the vehicle idles, obviously it's using gas. Especially right now with everything, the temperature's a little hotter. Maybe we're remote starting our cars, or maybe turning our cars to turn the AC on so it's nice and cool when we're ready to drive. Obviously, the other side of that would be in the winter time as well. It's obviously you're gonna use gas to do that. So make sure that maybe doing it in the right circumstances or not every day. The other thing that we can do to help with fuel mileage, fuel economy, is keeping your speed steady within the speed limit. So obviously, if you're really getting on the gas, you're driving a little faster, you're going to decrease your fuel mileage there. Same goes for heavy stopping too. If you're really you're having to speed up, slow down, speed up, slow down, that is going to increase your fuel consumption as well. A big one that we always especially in service, making sure your tire pressure is in the right level. So with that, your tire pressure, again, for safe usage of the vehicle, you want to make sure you're maintaining within that tire pressure. But obviously, if your tires are underinflated or overinflated, that is certainly going to decrease fuel mileage as well. And then the last thing is just making sure you're keeping up on your regular maintenance. For example, a big one is your spark plugs. Obviously, if they're dirty, that's going to obviously affect your fuel mileage. Just making sure that you're doing that scheduled maintenance. It's going to help have the motor run better. It's going to have it run at optimal performance, and again, that should decrease or increase your fuel mileage rather. So, again, Carrie from Byrider. Yeah.